Hi, in this tutorial, we are going to learn the essentials of Apache plus PHP FPM. So let's get started. Apache Web Server is the most popular web server and is widely used because of its simplicity and flexibility. In Cloudways stack, it runs on port 8081. Apache Web Server holds a vital position in Cloudways stack since it is the web server that is handling all of the dynamic requests. PHP FPM stands for PHP Fast CGI Process Manager, is designed as an alternative Fast CGI daemon. This handler allows for the ability of a website to handle high loads by maintaining a connection pool of workers to respond to incoming PHP requests. This handler is considered to be faster than other PHP methods like mod_PHP for multi-user scenarios. Let's have a quick look at how Apache plus FPM is configured. Apache Fast CGI with PHP FPM is one of the best stacks to host PHP applications. It is far better than the basic Apache plus mod_PHP stack when it comes to performance. There are many benefits of this PHP FPM, out of which highlighted are: first, opcode cache support; second, slow logs; third, security; fourth, process pooling; fifth, easy management; sixth, better stats; last but not the least, performance. Let's start by exploring the Apache web server's configurations. Starting with the /etc/apache2/apache2.conf file, which is the headquarter of the Apache 2 web server. In this file, you will find various rules and configurations which ship with the default Apache settings. Few Cloudways customized parameters are. This option, if set to on, will allow each connection to remain open to handle multiple requests from the same client. If this is set to off, each request will have to establish a new connection, which can result in significant overhead depending on your setup and traffic situation. This rule says that files starting with .ht means .ht access file shouldn't be accessed over an HTTP call. Require all denied means such requests will be denied. Now coming on to the virtual host of Apache that is resting in /etc/apache2/sites available. So the first line is: virtual host tags create a container outlining the characteristics of a virtual host. The virtual host container accepts most configuration directives. I believe you will be aware of most of them, but some customized which do not ship with the default Apache 2 will be explained in the upcoming slides. This parameter basically includes the server name and alias. In easy words, it is including the file where the domain of the application will be written through our add primary domain function. This is specified to tell Apache that the incoming request is on HTTPS. Because SSL is being attached on the Nginx layer, which is a reverse proxy server. Parameter options follow symlinks enables you to have a symlink in your webroot pointing to some other file /dir. You can add -indexes to the options directive in Apache's configuration file to fully disable the directory listing. Allow override directive is used to allow the use of .ht access within the web server to allow overriding of the Apache config on a per directory basis. Apache 2 npm is a multi-processing module for the Apache web server. This module allows you to run each of your hosts under a separate user and group ID. The scripts and configuration files for one host no longer have to be readable for all the other hosts. The configurations of connecting Apache with PHP FPM are resting in this file. Our stack creates dedicated and separate configurations for each application. Let's visit some vital facts about PHP FPM. In PHP FPM, we need to be aware of a few things. The enabled extensions of PHP FPM can be seen inside the confd directory of PHP FPM. Here you will find numerous files with having numbers as a leading name. So don't worry, it is just a good practice to set the order and priority as to how and in which manner these extensions should be loaded. There is another directory that is /etc/phppool.d. Inside this directory, there are configuration files of PHP FPM per application. All parameters inside this file are understandable except for a few which are appearing on the screen. There are three possible values of PM. Static, a fixed number of PHP processes will be maintained no matter what. Dynamic, we get to specify the minimum and a maximum number of processes that PHP FPM will keep alive at any given point in time. On demand, processes are created and destroyed well on demand. The PHP FPM limit is often referred to as max_children. It is actually the maximum number of concurrent PHP FPM processes allowed to run on a server.